2. Animal life. 1. Animals' habitats and adaptations. Hi students! Habitat of animals is the place where they live and how they survive in that area. Animals live in habitats that are suited for them. Some of these habitats include grasslands, rainforests, deserts, and Arctic tundra. An adaptation is the way an animal's body takes to survive or live in its environment. Some animals eat plants or other animals and may also use plants for shelter and nesting. In this lesson, you will learn about the habitats and adaptations of animals.
Unit 2 Animal Life 1. Animals, Habitats and Adaptations. Animals live in all parts of the world, in cold regions, in hot deserts, high up in mountains, and even in water. The bodies of animals are suited to the surroundings in which they live. Activity. Let us go to a zoo and observe the animals. Some live on trees, in soil, in water, in air, etc. Form two groups and make a list of all these animals. Habitats of animals.
Animals can be grouped according to the environment in which they live. The home or natural environment of a living thing is called its habitat. Animals can be grouped according to their habitat.
1. Terrestrial animals. Animals that live on land, that is, on the surface of the ground or in burrows below the surface of the ground are called terrestrial animals. Most of these animals have legs to walk on the ground and lungs to breathe. They have well-developed nervous system and sense organs to feel the changes in the surroundings. Common examples are lions, cows, rabbits, camels, snakes, etc. Terrestrial animals. 2. Arboreal animals. Arboreal animals spend most of their time on trees. They have powerful arms and legs. Spines or plates on their bodies help them to prevent from slipping. Common examples are monkeys, squirrels, apes, opossum, lizards, chameleon, etc. Arboreal animals. 3. Aerial animals. Aerial animals live mostly in the air. They have wings to fly. Their bodies are light because of light hollow bones and feathers. They have streamlined body to float in air easily. Birds, bats, and some insects are aerial animals. Aerial animals. 4. Aquatic animals. The animals which live in water are called aquatic animals. They have fins or suitable limbs which help them to swim. Webbed toys of a duck or paddle-like limbs of a turtle help them to push water and swim. They breathe through gills, and special lungs. Fishes, crabs, turtles, snails, and shrimps are aquatic animals. Aquatic animals. 5. Amphibians. The animals which live in water as well as on the land are called amphibians. These animals have limbs that help them to swim in water and to move on land. Common examples are frogs, toads, salamander, crocodiles, and newts. Amphibians. Adaptation. How do the animals adapt to their surroundings? Why do different animals live in different types of surroundings? Let us learn about these questions which come to your mind. Adaptation for food. Animals eat plants and other animals. They can be divided into 4 groups according to the type of food they eat. 1. Herbivorous, plant-eating animals. Plant-eating animals are called herbivorous. Cows, goats, giraffes, etc. eat plants. They have sharp cutting teeth and strong grinding teeth. Herbivorous. 2. Carnivorous, flesh-eating animals. Flesh-eating animals are called carnivorous. Lions, tigers, dogs, and fox eat the flesh of other animals. They have well-developed tearing teeth. Flesh-eating birds like eagle and vulture have sharp beaks and claws to tear flesh and catch other animals. Carnivorous. 3. Omnivorous, animals eating plants and animals. Animals that eat both plants and animals are called omnivores. Bears, crows, and cockroaches eat both plants and animals. Man is also an omnivore. Omnivores. 4. Parasites. Some animals depend on other living animals for their food. They are called parasites. They live on or inside the bodies of other animals. Mosquitoes, leeches, bugs, and hookworms, etc. are all parasites. They have suckers or sucking tubes to suck food from their hosts. Parasites. The body structure of animals is adapted to their surroundings. Skin of animals. The skin of animals acts as a protective organ. It protects from dryness and loss of too much water from the body. Skin of desert animals. Niti wants to know. Skin of water from the body. Skin of desert animals. Camels have a thick and less hairy skin without sweat pores. The skin prevents the loss of too much water from the body and thus protecting from dryness. Some animals like the lizards, snakes and birds have scales and feathers on their skin which protect them from drying. Skin of desert animals. Skin of cold region animals. Polar bear, yak, Himalayan rabbit have thick fur on their skin and also have a thick layer of fat under their skin. The fur traps the air and keeps the body warm. Skin of cold region animals. Color protection. Some animals protect themselves from their enemies by changing the color of their skin into the color of their surrounding. Common examples are grasshopper, sand lizard, chameleon, and locust. Animals that change their skin color. Nitty wants to know 1. How is the leaf insect protected from its enemies? 2. Why polar bear is white in color? 3. Why zebra, tiger, leopard has stripes and spots on their bodies? Let us discuss. Leaf insect resembles in the shape and color to a twig and looks like leaf. Polar bear is white in color so that it cannot be easily seen in the snow. Stripes and spots on zebra, tiger and leopard help them to mix with their surroundings. Hibernation.
In winter, when the weather is too cold and there is scarcity of food, some animals go in caves or underground burrows and sleep for a long time.
This long sleep is called hibernation, winter sleep. During this time, they use their stored up food, usually fats, in their bodies. The animals that hibernate are frogs, insects, snails, and few reptiles. Hibernating animals. Let's revise the important points. 1. Animals can be grouped according to their habitat. 2. The home or natural environment of a living thing is called its habitat. 3. Arboreal animals spend most of their time on trees. 4. Aquatic animals live only in water. 5. Desert animals have less hairy skin. 6. Some animals live on or inside the bodies of other animals. 7. Long winter sleep is called hibernation.